Hello, are you thinking about living north of Atlanta? Well, Canton, Georgia might be a great option for you. Canton is about 40 miles north of Atlanta and it's right on the edge of the North Georgia mountains, so it is absolutely beautiful. I'm Shonna Sherrill with EXP Realty, and my team and I help people just like you every single day make a smooth move to the North Atlanta area, and we would love to help you too. Well, today we are at Sunrise Cove at Great Sky, and the builder here is Eastwood Homes. They have several different floor plans available, and they're a smaller builder, so sometimes you'll get a little bit more custom options when you go with a smaller builder like that. This particular plan is the Fenwick plan. It's 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, but they have also done some options where they've added a second level and finished out the basement. In this community, there are several basement lots still available. It's on some water and it's also near the mountain, so definitely something that you'll want to check out. Now, before we go in, I want to remind you, if you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel so you will be the first to know when there's additional tours that come out, and you'll be able to find your home. Let's go in. You know what I really love about the kitchen is this amazing huge island. I can just see all the kids and the family and the friends sitting around here, or at least probably the ladies and the guys right next door watching football or something. But it's just so homey and welcoming, and I just think it's amazing. Let's keep going on the main level. You come right into the primary suite on the main. Again, lots of windows, tray ceiling. You have board and batten wall, very pretty. Hardwood floors throughout the main level. Again, a window, letting lots of natural light in. Oh, check out that rain shower head. Couple of cubbies in there for your things. Tile floor, dual vanity. Have a water closet here and a linen closet on this side. We go right into the primary closet and out through a laundry room, back into kitchen area here, and here's your pantry. Nice size pantry, little mud bench where you can store your things. And these are the stairs to a finished basement. We'll come back to that. Okay, we are heading upstairs. Now this again is an option for this ranch floor plan. You have a loft. You have 2 bedrooms up here. Really nice large linen closet. This would be your flex room, or have it set up as an exercise room, and that door just goes into attic space with flooring. Have a full bath. This is a nice sized bathroom as well. I love that black tile. And there are 2 bedrooms up here. This one's on the front of the home, and this one's on the side. Lots of space up here. So this is a great option if you have a large family. Kind of get everything with your primary on the main and a couple of bedrooms upstairs and more downstairs. Speaking of, let's go take a look. You're going to be pretty amazed at what we're going to find down here. First of all, this is a really cool brick wall. And they have a little bar area set up here with a small fridge. Then you come here in this large open area. You can have dining, you can have games, you can have media, whatever it is you really want to have. Now this special little room has been created as a wine room. Take a look at what's on today's menu. And then you have plenty of storage space. Unfinished basement area. Lots of room. Lots and lots of room back here. We're going to run over here and see the rest of it real quick. So here you have another linen closet, a full bath. These basements can be finished out really to your taste, to your desires, whatever rooms you want. And here's another large flex room. This could definitely be another bedroom. They have a full walk-in closet here. They're using it as like a sewing room, which is pretty cool. This is the exterior of the Fenwick model. You'll see there are several completed homes, but there are many left as well. Lots of trees up here. We are so close to the mountains, and there's some really nice views as you come toward this community. Well, thanks again for watching the home tour of the Fenwick model here at Sunrise Cove in Great Sky. It's a beautiful home. They have several more available, and if we can help you in any way get into this neighborhood or any around the North Georgia area, please call me, text me, send me an email, or schedule a chat. All of my contact information is below. And again, I just want to remind you, if you haven't already, make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel so you will be the first to know when future tours come out. See you soon.